Hello, I'm Norm Casey and welcome to the team.
I joined Imperial because I needed a new job at the time. I was in dentistry for almost 15 years. I had a friend that worked here and they told me to come in, try it out, give it a shot. I was nervous at first, but actually I've grown to really like it.
What I didn't expect was advancing in the company so quickly. That was a surprise to me.
I was working in manufacturing when I had my 2 children. It was a lot. It was rotating shifts. It was a lot of overtime. I wasn't home and they were babies. So I took a year off and then I was ready to get back to work. I was looking for a day job and just happened to really stumble upon Imperial.
My favorite aspect of working at Imperial is everyone working for the business can make a difference. I can honestly say in my 20 years with the company that the many roles I've had and different roles I've played, I've always felt like I could contribute to the success of the business.
I enjoy working at Imperial because of all the friends I've made here, and after working with them for so long, you almost feel like you're family. You know each other's kids, and just the whole entire work family is just great.
My favorite aspect is just the people I work with. They're great, they're family to me.
My favorite aspect of working at Imperial is the people that I work with. Whether it be my peers or the people that work for me, they're all great. You have relationships with them, and it's just a friendly environment.
One thing that I'm always proud of is I can go in any hardware store anywhere in North America and I can find Imperial product on the shelves.
The advice I would give new recruits is to come in with a good attitude and ready to work.
I've been here 7 years and I've had 5 different titles. So knowing that you can grow within the company, there are opportunities and they will help you grow.
I would tell potential new team members that when they join Imperial, they're not only joining a great team, but they're also going to become part of the Imperial family.
Without the employees, without the customers, without the suppliers, it takes support from all these people to have a solid foundation and build a good company.